Losing body fat can be a challenging task, often requiring hard work, patience, and dedication. Although many fat diets and fat burning supplements promise quick results, modifying your diet, lifestyle, and exercise routine is the most effective way to reach and maintain a healthy weight. Plus, you can take several simple steps to promote long lasting, sustainable fat loss while improving your overall health. Here are top of the best ways to increase fat loss. Strength training is a type of exercise in which your muscles contract against resistance. It builds muscle mass and increases strength over time, and it usually involves lifting weights. Research reveals that strength training has multiple health benefits, especially when it comes to fat loss. According to a review of 58 studies, resistance training for at least 4 weeks may help decrease body fat by an average of 1.46%. It may also significantly reduce body fat mass and visceral fat, which is a type of fat that surrounds the organs in your belly. Another study shows that 5 months of training was more effective at reducing body fat in adolescents with obesity than aerobic exercise alone. Plus, resistance training may help preserve fat free mass, which may increase the number of calories your body burns at rest. According to one review, resistance training boosted people resting metabolic rate compared with the control group, while aerobic exercise had no effect on metabolism. Doing body weight exercise, lifting weights, and using gym equipment are few easy ways to get started with strength training. Follow a high protein diet. Eating more protein rich foods may help reduce your appetite and increase fat burning. In fact, multiple studies have associated eating more high quality protein with a lower risk of excess body fat and obesity. Other research indicates that a high protein diet may help preserve muscle mass and metabolism during weight loss. Upping your protein intake may also increase feelings of fullness, decrease hunger, and reduce calorie intake, all factors that aid weight loss. Try adding few servings of high protein food to your diet each day. Protein rich foods including meat, seafood, eggs, tofu, and dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. Get more sleep. Going to a bed a bit earlier or setting your alarm clock a little later is a simple strategy to help you reach and maintain a healthy weight. In fact, several studies associate sufficient sleep with weight loss. Everyone needs a different amount of sleep. Most studies tie at least 7 hours of sleep per night to the most benefits for weight management and overall health. To support a healthy sleep cycle, stick to a regular sleep schedule, limit your intake of caffeine in the evening, and minimize your use of electronic devices before bed. Drink unsweetened beverages. Swapping out sugary drinks for healthier selection is one of the easiest ways to promote long-term sustainable fat loss. For example, sugar sweetened beverages like soda are often packed with calories and offer little nutritional value. Alcohol is also high in calories and may lower inhibitions, which may increase your risk of overeating. Increase your cardio. Cardio, also known as aerobic exercise, is one of the most common forms of exercise. It's any type of exercise that specially trains the heart and lungs. Adding cardio to your routine may be one of the most effective ways to enhance fat burning and weight loss. Most research recommends 150 to 300 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise per week, or roughly 20 to 40 minutes of cardio each day. Running Walking, cycling, and swimming are just a few examples of cardio workouts. Drink coffee. The caffeine in coffee stimulates your central nervous system, increase metabolism, and boost the breakdown of fatty acids. To lose body fat sustainably, it's best to avoid crash diets and unsafe supplements. Rather, you should incorporate healthy habits into your routine, such as eating whole grains instead of refined carbs, replacing sugary drinks with water, try probiotics, or drinking coffee. Be sure to pair these simple nutrition tips with a well-rounded diet and active lifestyle to promote long-lasting sustainable fat burning.